Knowing exactly when to water your plants can make the difference between thriving greenery and struggling leaves. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 plant moisture meters on Amazon to help you take the guesswork out of gardening. Let's start with the XLUX 9118 Soil Moisture Meter, a customer favorite for its simplicity and effectiveness. This analog moisture meter doesn't require batteries and gives instant readings via a clear, color-coded dial. It measures from dry to wet on a 1 to 10 scale and works by simply inserting the 7-inch probe into the soil. What makes the XLUX 9118 so popular is its reliability and ease of use, even for beginners. The single-function design focuses entirely on moisture, making it ideal for indoor houseplants, garden beds, or potted herbs. With over 60,000 ratings and a 4.5-star average, this tool is a staple for plant enthusiasts looking for an affordable, accurate solution. Next up is the XLUX Long Probe Soil Moisture Meter, model B09PBGLM3N. It takes everything that's great about the original XLUX meter and adds a longer 12-inch probe, perfect for larger planters, raised beds, and deep pots, where root moisture varies significantly from the surface. Just like its shorter sibling, this model doesn't require batteries, so you can use it at any time without worrying about power. The analog dial is large and easy to read, and the long probe ensures that you're checking moisture where it truly matters, near the roots. This is especially valuable for trees, tall houseplants, and outdoor shrubs. For those who want more data and a modern twist, the Reyke 4-in-1 Digital Soil Moisture Meter, model HG01-4, is a fantastic choice. This smart meter does more than measure moisture. It also monitors soil temperature, sunlight levels, and even features a low moisture alarm to alert you before your plants start to stress. The digital LCD screen displays real-time data, and the sensor can wirelessly communicate with a monitor up to 230 feet away. This makes it ideal for greenhouses, balconies, or larger gardens, where you may want to check multiple locations from a single point. The Reyke model is highly rated for its accuracy, and its modern design appeals to tech-savvy plant lovers who prefer detailed insights over analog simplicity. If you're looking for an affordable all-in-one solution, the Sonkir MS02 3-in-1 Soil Moisture Meter might be the right fit. This analog device measures soil moisture, light intensity, and pH levels all through one simple interface. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use and doesn't require batteries, making it a great companion for gardeners who want a broader view of their soil health. Whether you're checking if your tomatoes are getting enough sunlight or if your ferns need more acidic soil, the Sonkir meter gives you the feedback you need without needing multiple tools. It's also a great entry-level device for gardeners who are still learning the nuances of their plant care routine. Finally, rounding out our list is the Dr.meter Soil Moisture Meter, available as a value-packed 2-piece set. While it focuses solely on moisture readings, it's well loved for its accuracy and convenience. The compact probe is easy to insert into most types of soil, and the analog dial gives quick feedback, helping you avoid overwatering or underwatering. This is a particularly great option for those with multiple plants, or for those who want to gift a meter to a fellow plant lover. It's simple, effective, and offers excellent value, especially when you consider the cost of replacing stressed or dead plants due to improper watering.